children, do you like stories? Do you like stories? Yes, everyone likes stories. Why do we learn and read stories? Do you know that? Why do we learn and read stories? Yes, we read and we learn stories to get some moral values. From stories, we are getting moral values. Okay?
Hi students, good morning. Do you obey your parents, elders and teachers? Do you obey your parents, elders and teachers? If you are not obeying your parents, elders and teachers, what happens? Come on, tell me, what happens? Yes, you will be in trouble. You will be in trouble. Okay? Yes. Today we are gonna learn our second chapter. The name of the chapter is The Tale of Peter Rabbit. The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Okay? Yes. So children, the characters of this story are Mrs. Rabbit, Mrs. Rabbit and their four little children. Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. And the farmer. The name of the farmer is Mr. McGregor. Mr. McGregor. Okay? So children, these are the central characters of our story. Okay?
And children, Mrs. Rabbit lived with their children Flopsy, Mopsy, Peter and Cottontail underneath the root of a large tree. One day, Mrs. Rabbit wanted to go out in search of some food. Mrs. Rabbit advised our bunnies not to go to Mr. McGregor's farm because their father had an accident there. Our Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail went to the blackberry garden. But our Peter, he was a naughty rabbit. What did he do? He went to Mr. McGregor's garden. Okay? Actually, their mother told them not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden, but Peter started moving to the garden of Mr. McGregor. Understood?
From McGregor's garden, Peter started to eat lettuce, French beans and some radish. Lettuce, French beans and some radish. Suddenly, he felt sick. Okay? He was in search of some Percy leaves. At that time, Mr. McGregor saw our Peter Rabbit. Okay?
Mr. McGregor was planting cabbages near Percy. He jumped up and ran after Peter, shouting, "Stop thief!" Yes, students, our Peter was frightened. Students, our Peter Rabbit was frightened. He rushed all over the garden. He forgot where back to the gate.
Then he lost both of his shoes. While running. He started to run fast. But unfortunately, he ran into a gooseberry net and the jacket button was caught by the net. He is trapped. He is inside the net now. Okay? Children, it was his new jacket. Our Peter started crying.
So children, hearing the sobs of our Peter, some sparrows were there. Okay? they told him to try hard to get out of the net. Sparrows advised our Peter to try hard to get out of the net. McGregor was following our Peter. He reached there and started to catch our Peter with a sieve. He started to catch our Peter with a sieve, but just in time he escaped. He escaped from the net. He escaped from the net, leaving his jacket there on the net. Understood? Then he rushed into a tool shed. There was a shed in the garden, McGregor's shed. And he rushed into the shed. There was a water can. When he was running and escaping from the presence of McGregor, he jumped into a water can. He wanted to hide inside the can. Our McGregor started searching for our Peter. He was sure that Peter is somewhere here in the shed. Okay? He started to search everywhere. But unfortunately, inside the can, our Peter, he was sneezing. He was sneezing. Okay?
So students, Mr. McGregor heard the sneezing and he went near the water can. Students, at that time, our Peter Rabbit jumped out of a window. But this window was too small for Mr. McGregor. And actually, students, Mr. McGregor was very tired. So he stopped chasing the rabbit. So students, our Peter Rabbit sat down to rest. He was very tired. Still he doesn't know the way back to the gate.
After some time, he began to wander about, searching the way back to the gate. Okay? At that time, children, our Peter saw a mouse with full of peas in his mouth. Okay? Then our Peter asked the mouse the way back to the gate. Okay? At that time, this mouse was not able to answer because his mouth was full of peas. So, he showed some actions. Okay? Then Peter came out and climbed upon a wheelbarrow. Okay? At that time, our Peter saw Mr. McGregor hoeing onions. Okay? Our Peter started running as fast as he could. Okay? Mr. McGregor saw him. Mr. McGregor saw our Peter. But Peter started running as fast as he could. He never stopped. And finally, our Peter saw the gate. And escaped from the garden. Okay? And our Peter reached his home. His mother, Peter's mother, scolded him. Because it was a second jacket and second pair of shoes that our Peter lost in the fourth night. So students, how is the story? Do you like it? Children? Yes. And what's the moral of the story? Come on, tell me, what's the moral of the story? Yes, we must obey our parents, elders and teachers. Okay? Otherwise, we will be in trouble. Okay? So children, please try to learn this story. Okay? Please try to learn this story. We will meet at the time of Google Meet. Thank you. Cheers.